Greetings, my precious viewers. Welcome to the new episode of Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to show you how to add a Google map in your WordPress website. So go to Google Maps and type your address. I've already typed Belgrade and I want to put a marker on Belgrade Fortress. Okay, this is a marker. Now you can change your map left, right, up and down to find your location. Move your scroll wheel to zoom in or zoom out. Okay. When you set your position for screen, click here on share button, click on embed map, and here you can change size. Here you can change your size, but later you can do that as well. Click on copy HTML and go to your WordPress website. Here I'm on green seed group hero section, but just for the purpose of this tutorial, we will put our map here down there. Click on edit with Elementor. I'm using a free version. Okay, I already had my map, but never mind. We are going from start again. Delete this section. Click plus and add a new. Choose full width, or you can add a few sections if you want to have few maps or larger map, whatever you want. I want full width map. Exclude gaps. Then click here on 9 squares icon. Type HTML. Move this element to your column. Okay, and here paste your HTML embed code for map. This is your map. Okay, now if you click on preview, this is your map with width and height. I think, let's see, height is 450 and width 600. If you want larger map or smaller map, never mind. I want to change height from 450 to 850. Okay, click here to update, and this is my map. I can scroll on big screen with my mouse left, right, in any direction, and with wheel mouse I can use Control to scroll and press Control, and this is scrolling. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, spread the word. It means a lot. See you in next episode. Bye bye.